how to delete your Snapchat account on a PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Snapchat account within the browser on any computer. So this is a Windows, Mac, Linux, Chromebook, anything running in the desktop browser. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up a browser and navigate to snapchat.com. Check the description, I'll have a direct link down there. Once you get to snapchat.com, log into your account. Once you're logged in, select your avatar in the top left, and then go down and select Account Settings. Once in Account Settings, scroll down to the bottom, select Delete My Account. Keep in mind that in order to delete your account, you need to first deactivate your account and then wait 30 days. So you're deactivating your account for 30 days. If you don't reactivate it in 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. That's just the way it works on Snapchat. So to deactivate it, simply enter your password, select Continue, confirm once more that you do want to deactivate it and delete it after 30 days. And then after that, your Snapchat account will be deactivated for 30 days and then permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.